Like, how amazing is this?
Look at this, we found our own watering hole in the Amazon.
Yeah, it's awesome. Bit worried about the piranhas, but...
There isn't piranhas here! Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. We sold our business, rented out our house and quit our jobs to travel the world for a year. This is where we're living for one night. So this is where we're staying tonight. In here. Literally just two mattresses on top of each other. Then in it. You can barely fit out the door.
Outside comes the shower. Little seating area. There's the shower. Couldn't be more in the jungle, could you? Have a look at this. Toilet.
With a view.
Look, it's all glass. I'm not looking down that. You mates? Hey. Best mates they are. Stick here.
Oh my god, he's running!
Whoa.
Oh, I just saw a massive spider.
Did ya? Come on then.
No, I don't know how to do this.
So the bloke said, he said follow the trail around, but it's in water, so we're gonna have to swim. Well, I don't know how deep it is. You go first? Right. So this is a bit deeper than I thought. Oh well.
So I've got my swimsuit again. Wonder where it is. So we found a lake to walk around. The guide told us to walk through it. He said it would go up to our knees. I've had to get in my underwear and carrying our bag across with our stuff in it.
Yeah.
You're taller than me, so don't drop it in. Got it?
Yeah. Swimming again. Got to go through there somehow. We can either go swimming that way or swimming that way. There's piranhas in the Amazon, isn't there? Yeah, it's mad, isn't it?
I know, we found this all on our own in the Amazon forest. I'm in my underwear, he's in his shorts, and we're just swimming around.
It is what it is.
Instead of paying like hundreds of pounds to go to Amazon, do an Airbnb in the Amazon for 24 quid.
Yeah, but he did say you're not allowed to trek in the Amazon on your own, you need a guide.
Yeah.
It's too dangerous.
But this is literally down the road from our Airbnb and he said we were allowed to go here.
Yeah.
So we've been for a swim.
Yeah.
It's lovely. It's
right, let's get
warm.
out before the piranhas get us.
Yeah, come on then. What? No? Alright.
Oi. Still not out of there yet.
Ben, your bag's going in there. Even the bag that Ben's got wet.
Don't get the bag wet.
Out.
I know.
Come on, maybe swim. Fluffy.
Come on, mate.
Fluffy.
Wait, Fluffy.
Somebody's waiting for me.
Well, you go first then, see if what he does.
A bit stuck here.
Step over him.
Move over there. Move.
He don't want to get wet, does he?
Move over. You're already there.
Right. Here he comes. Dino, beer and wine. I think if I had a good Wi-Fi connection, I think I could live here. Because it's just remote, away from everything, away from Facebook. Maybe not Facebook, but away from COVID and Boris Johnson chatting shit. I could be away from all that. Be quite nice. Have to eat bugs though. Hey mate. Wait.
Ben?
I think he's dead. You alive, mate? Or he's in deep sleep? So it's done.
Theo's getting your crisps. You took it! OMG. I kept some of the food aside last night, so we got some snacks in there. It's got mini Oreos. We've got the sugar nuts that we like for the Wamos.
Love them nuts.
Peanut M&Ms. Oh, and I kept 2 of these back.
Oh, they're banging
They're
out.
nice.
Yeah.
And we've got 2 bottles, big bottles of water, so we'll prepare. Because it's meant to be just a 3-hour bus ride. But they're normally telling it to about 5 or 20.
So well kitted out. We've got rations.
And we've got chargers.
Hey.
What?
So, biggest scam you've ever seen, right? In this mall, you've got to pay 25 cents if you want the toilet roll. So, I'm absolutely dying for going for a shit, right? And go in there, machines run out. Run in there, I've got to go, really bad, gonna shit myself. Jump on the toilet, obviously there's no toilet roll anyway. Have a shit, come back out, shit your ass, and say to Reanne, have you got anything God need to whip my ass? She's like, fishing for her bag, can't find nothing. Eventually she finds like a bandage. So I've used that, actually quite comfortable. As I've left, right, on the wall there's a wash your hands and that. And like right by the exit, there's another dispenser thing. I thought, hand sanitizer, I'll have a bit of that. Soap. So I've left it and I've got soap on my hands. So all soapy hands, I've got to go back in and wash my hands. Ridiculous. I've had a nightmare, but at least I'm alright now.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel